Good morning, students. How are you all? Once again, I welcome all of you to online lecture sessions. Already, we have taken many lessons. Last time, we have completed block 11 lesson. Which was that lesson? That lesson was Are video games a good form of entertainment? And that lesson was written by Mary Silva Turner. So today we are taking second lesson plan which is related to the same. But today we are taking grammar. Okay, possessive words. Now possessive means what? Possessive means it simply shows ownership. Okay, a noun that possesses or owns something, or like suppose there is something which is belong to me. Okay, so I'm going to say that mobile is mine. So mine shows who is the owner of that particular mobile. So today we are going to understand what is possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay, so let's start. Can you see here in this sentence there is a bottle. Whose bottle is this? Whose bottle is this? And somebody answer, this is my bottle, or this bottle is mine. This is my bottle, or this bottle is mine. So here the mine is nothing but possessive word. Okay, let's take one more example. Does this bag belongs to you? Yes, this is mine. You can answer like that. Yes, this is mine, or this bag is mine. Okay, let's take one more sentence. Whose classroom is this? Suppose, just imagine this is your classroom, then how you are going to answer this question? Whose classroom is this? I have asked a question to all of you, not only a single student, but all the students of 5th grade. So your answer will be this class is ours. This class is ours. Ours means we know we sit together. That's why this class is ours. So this word ours is a possessive word. Whose purse is this? Okay. Now we know that ladies use the purse. Okay. Or girls they use purse. So whose purse is this? So we can answer this purse is hers. This is her purse. This purse is hers. So here hers is a possessive word. Now let's take one simple story. Okay, you can see here also there are some possessive words. The boy says, "This is my car." His sister says, "It's your car, but it's my doll. Use that doll over there. It's yours." Okay, so here yours is nothing but possessive word. The brother says, "Mine is small. He's not a good driver." So once again, mine. Mine is one more possessive word. The girl says, "Okay, put yours next to mine." So here yours and mine is once again possessive word. They can ride together. Their mom asks, "Whose car is that?" The kids look at the two dolls and laugh. Look at the two dolls and laugh. "It's not ours, it's theirs. It's not ours, it's theirs." So you can see here this yours, mine, yours, mine. Okay, shows ownership. Okay, shows owner. Who is the owner of these dolls and this car? This word shows the same. Yours, mine, yours, once again mine, ours, and theirs. Correct? So let's understand few more things related to the same. Like here in possessive adjective, like you when you are using that particular word as an adjective. So it is going to be like this. When you are using this my, then it will be used as an adjective, but when it is used as a possessive pronoun, it changes to mine. Your changes to yours, his changes to his, it remains same, there is no change. But her changes to hers, their changes to theirs, its changes to its, our changes to ours. Okay, so all these we use in possessive pronouns, and these are used as a possessive adjective. How? Let's see with the help of few examples so that you can understand it very clearly and in a better manner. Okay, let's check. Here are some examples which is all about possessive adjectives. Okay, here you can see these are the all pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, they are all pronouns, but here the possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, your, their. Okay, my shirt is green. You can see this noun. Okay, whenever there is an adjective, because adjective is what? It is nothing but when a word which gives us extra information about noun or pronoun, that is nothing but an adjective. So shirt, whose shirt? My shirt. So my is possessive adjective, it is showing ownership. Who is the owner of the shirt? Okay, it is my shirt, means I'm the owner. Okay, book, your book is new. So here your is possessive adjective. His pillow is soft. Whose pillow is soft? His. So he is the owner. Her dog is small. How her dog is? Okay, sorry. Dog is small. Whose dog is small? Her. Its bone is old. Bone is, whose bone is old? Its. Our bird is noisy. Whose bird is noisy? Our bird. Okay, so our is nothing but possessive adjective. Your house is big. Whose house is big? Your house is big. Their car is slow. Whose car is slow? Their car is slow. Okay, so all these are examples of possessive adjective. Correct? Next one is possessive adjectives here. You can see my balloon is blue. Whose balloon is blue? My. Whose balloons are blue? Once again, my. Your balloon is green. Your balloon is green. Whose balloon is green? Your. But look at the last example. Yours balloons are green. Here plural form is there, so here we can't use s. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, you can see here your balloons are green. Here there is no s suffix used, but here they have used s suffix, which is wrong. So these are the examples of possessive adjective: my, your, their, his, her, its, her. Correct? I hope you must have understood this possessive adjective in English. Now let's check possessive pronouns. You can see here a possessive pronoun replaces a possessive adjective plus noun to avoid repeating information that is already clear. This book is my book, not your book. Okay, so it is like this. There is a repetition. My book, your book. Okay, so here to avoid that repetition, this book is mine. We have used book, book. So here we have used only once. You can see here we have used only once. This book is mine, not yours. Not yours, not your. Here s we have added to show the ownership. This book belongs to me, not you. So here we have used mine and yours. Okay, so these are the possessive pronouns. Let's check few more example. Like we have seen possessive adjective my, but when we have to use the same word as a possessive pronoun, my changes to mine, your changes to yours, his changes to his, it remains same, her changes to hers, it remains. Okay, we generally don't use its as a possessive pronoun. Okay, normally we don't use. Our changes to ours, your changes to yours, their changes to theirs. Now look at these examples. The shirt is mine. Okay, the book is yours, the pillow is his, the dog is hers, the bird is ours, the house is yours, the car is theirs. So all these mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs, they have been used as a possessive pronoun. Correct? Absolutely correct. So are these Alice keys or yours? Yours means your key. Okay. Excuse me, those seats are ours. Ours means our seats. Okay, we have not repeated the same thing again. This is Jack's wallet, and I think this watch is his too. Okay, here his shows who is the owner of this watch. So mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. All these are a possessive pronoun, correct? Which shows the owner of that particular thing, correct? Very good. Let's take few more things. In homework, what you have to do? In homework, you have to just finish activity S1, which is on page number 5. Correct? So complete this activity and send it to me. Thank you so much for watching this video so nicely and patiently. Okay. Happy Ganeshotsav to all. Enjoy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye bye. Thank you.